welcome to the channel. Today we're doing the MG ZS, and what we've got is a squeak when we're braking and going over some bumps we get. So we've put it up on the ramp here and we have found the squeak. I'm going to change the camera. So this is quite complex, all this, isn't it, under here, compared to like a Land Rover, right? You've got a lot of bars, lower wishbone, upper thing, bouncy coil. And
professional terminology.
And what we found out anyway, we've got a bar like so. Hang on, let me zoom out a bit. Jackson, can you stop smashing things up, please? And what we've got here, if you look down here, can we have some professional light, please? At the lower end, that's it. This one here to this lower arm, this is the noise we've got. So it's that bush. A lot of people told me that this bit of the body here rubs on the subframe, and that's what causes the squeak. So I bent that out. That did nothing except ruin my paint. So not advisable by them idiots. But yeah, get your bar in and have a
Prize about.
Yeah, and then you'll find your squeak. What we're going to do is spray it with some lubrication for now. See if I can shut it up because it's annoying. And then later on, maybe if we decide to keep the car, we might look at changing that bush. But for now, we'll spray it. So we've sprayed it and soaked it just to see how it goes. You don't know which one it is, do you? Is that one there? Yeah, that one. Yeah. No. Inside the gap. That'll do, yeah. Yeah. And there you go. It has got a bit of play in it, which I don't need MOT, but we've now stopped the squeaking, so that'll sort us out for a bit. Like and subscribe.